So let's start with the first topic. So how to set up domain restrictions for widget use. So we'll learn how to secure your chat widget by restricting it to specific domain, ensuring it only appears on trusted websites. So the first thing that we will do is go to Setup, Settings. Under Controls, we have Block IP. Then from there, let's just create one. So from here, we can either specify the IP address or the IP range. Then we can also choose a brand. Then we should also add a reason for blocking the visitors. Okay, so there. So in our case, we have already added a block IP, which is this. So let me just show you. So as of now, we can still see the website. Then just refresh. So yeah, you can still see it. So if I disable it, and if we go back and we just hit refresh, there it is already disabled. So to see that, let me just go back to see my IP address. I just manually just copied the IP address, then added to here. So basically, just did this. Just copied it basically. There, if you hit block IP, then if you hit refresh from the website, it will now be automatically blocked. Okay. So the next topic is how to configure your custom data sharing consent text. So we'll understand how to add and customize your GDPR or consent text in pre-chat forms to meet privacy and compliance needs. So first thing to do is go to your settings, brand, and your brand. Then top right, just click privacy settings, and we have to enable this display GDPR consent banner on your website. So by default, Sales IQ can provide a banner for you, but if you wish to modify the content and hyperlinks, Sales IQ has another feature or approach, which is we will use an API. So we will use this privacy chat banner content. So this API allows you to customize the content of the chat banner, which is used to get the visitor's consent. So we will just copy this script, then paste it to your website. In our case, I am actually using a website called Blogger. Give me a moment. So here, basically, I'll just paste the script here, down here. For this script, this is the adding the chat itself, which is can be found here. Let me go back here, installation, website, then copy this code and visit here. Okay. So once it's added, once everything's added, hit save. Then if you go to your website itself, just hit refresh and try to create this scenario. So there you go. So this is my customized consent and a hyperlink. So if we click here, it will be redirected to your your customization. If you go back to our website, I mean the customized tab. Give me a moment. Here, here I added a description, your text, and the link itself. So once it is added, and when you test it on your end, it will be shown here. Okay. So the last topic is how to manage chat access logs in Sales IQ. So basically, we have the reports to see the operator logs and reports. So on the left side, you will see reports. Just click that. From here, you can actually choose what type of to see. Let's say you have brands, operators, bots, and live insights. But in our case, let's just focus on the operator side. Then from there, we can already see a list of reports such as pickup chats, list chats, close chats, etc. From there, we can also filterize um, the content. For example, last 15 minutes, 30 minutes, last 6 hours today, yesterday, and we can actually customize our range if you wish, if you wanted to. And we can also do some export, email, and show detail view if you wanted to see. For example, in this case, okay. Then if you go, you scroll down, you have chat activities, feedback reading, or operator status, availability, the chat load distribution can be sorted by operators as well. How many, the acceptance, the closure hours. Here we have also chat actions, the waiting time, and the chat topics performance. So as you can see, we have the plain term. Going down, we have also operator performance based from our working hours, available time, idle time, and so much more. Okay, so basically that's it for the reports. As mentioned earlier, we can adjust the content. You can have it this month, customize your range from, for example, let's just say January 1 until today. Apply, then boom, there you have it. From that, you can already determine your reports. Okay,